Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you all the latest updates of October and November 2020. So I'm going to be basically telling you about what's open and what's going to open soon. If you're new to my channel, I'm a local from Goa and I give you the latest updates of all the things that are opening and open already, and I show you some of the best places to check out. Okay guys, so let's talk about October as of now, and the first thing you need to know is that the water sports has opened up, and these places have opened up in Vagator, they've opened up in BAGA, and they have opened up in Calangute, Sinkerim. So North Goa water sports has already started. The prices for water sports now, for the first thing is paragliding. This is one of the most popular things that people do. So for this is told to be my subscriber. He went yesterday and he paid for a single person for paragliding is 900 rupees. If you are going as a couple, for two people is 1500 rupees. And if you're going for jet ski, suppose you want to go on a jet ski, the jet ski costs you 350 rupees. And then he wanted to ride the jet ski by himself, so he paid an extra 200 rupees, so you can ride it yourself. Otherwise for 350 rupees is they will ride the jet ski and you will sit behind. So still it's a fun experience to have here in Goa. Don't worry, I will do a full update on the water sports and I will be showing you all the water sports and whatever rides are available and all the prices. So stay tuned for that video, which is coming very soon. Okay, so the other thing which is very exciting for November is that the shacks are opening up. As of now, some of the shacks are already open. You have all these shacks. They're not really shacks, but they have these beach beds on the beach in Baga and Kalangut, and you can buy your beers and food. But you know, the shack experience is something else in Goa. And the greatest news is for Kalangut, Anjuna and Kandolim, the shacks are going to be opening as soon as 15th of November. So what happens is already the allocation has been done by the government to these shacks, and they are going to hopefully set to open up in this next couple of weeks. So they'll be setting up as of now, and we can expect them as soon as 15th of October. But there are lots of other shacks, but these are more high up market shacks like Brito, St. Anthony's, Soza Lobo is a restaurant in Kalangut, and many of these places have already opened up. If you want some more shacks, you can message me in comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Also casino, everybody keeps on asking me about the casino, so I've got a little insider information. Is at the moment on the 2nd of November, most probably 2nd of November till 15th of November, the casino should open. Why I'm saying this is because a couple of my friends work in the casino and they were called for training. So now they wouldn't call them for training unless they are going to open up soon. Of course, this is all a rumor. I'm not 100% certain. The moment I get any information about the casinos opening, full 100% information, I will be more than happy to do a video update for you guys. I will go to the casino myself and show you the new prices and everything. Also guys, just another update, the markets like the flea market and the night market, I keep getting this question. It is not open as of now. It should be opening up in late November or first week of December. You guys, when you guys come to Goa, please don't expect Goa to be exactly like before. It's not a place where there's thousands of crowd. Of course, in November, December, the place will be exactly like before. The parties have already started. Clubs are already open. So you can have some really nice times at these parties. All the pubs are open. All the bars are open. Most of the restaurants are already open. Only for the budget traveler, some of the smaller restaurants had, of course, because of lockdown, they had a lot of troubles because they have a lot of expenditure. So not many of the smaller budget hotels have opened up as of now. The hotels to stay in have opened up. I mean, restaurants have not opened up as many as before, but in the next coming months we can expect these restaurants to open up. So I've had many subscribers in the last 2-3 weeks, I've had over 200 people from watching my videos who have come to Goa, and they've had an incredible time. Of course, some of them had high expectations, but you cannot expect Goa to be exactly like before. You guys have to understand, we've been in lockdown for the last 7 months, so Goa is not going to be the same. But Goa is much cleaner and much more beautiful now, so I would definitely recommend coming to Goa. In all my videos, I will give you the honest opinions of everything that I have, because I do not take money from people, because I own my own businesses. I do not take money from people to, you know, show their place or anything. So I always give you honest feedback. Of course, these places, suppose I went on a particular day and they gave me good food and you didn't get the same service or something like that, you cannot blame me, because it depends on each restaurant. Sometimes they have their ups, sometimes they have their downs, and yes, but I will always try and give you 100% accurate information always, and I will try to give you the best information always. You can always comment below, and I reply to about 10,000 comments per week almost, and I'm more than happy to help you guys. So many people have messaged me on Instagram. If you want to message me on Instagram, I'm happy to help you guys, but please don't ask me things like hotel prices and which is the exact hotel to stay in, guys, because there's 6,000 hotels in Goa, more than 6,000 hotels, and you can't expect me to, you know, give every person a hotel. If you want to book a good hotel, go to Make My Trip. They have really good hotel deals, and also if you want, you can go to Airbnb. I will put the links below so you can check them out. Airbnb is for homestays. If you want homestays, you want a luxury villa for very cheap, you can use Airbnb. As I said, I will put the link below. Okay guys, so that is a few updates from Goa. If you want to know anything else, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to help you guys. So please do subscribe. I do a lot of videos here and I will be doing a lot of new updates for you guys. So please do like and subscribe, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys anytime. So thank you for watching.
Turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, bring it back. DJ turn it up, bring it back. DJ turn it up, bring it back. DJ turn it up,